Hey value traders, let's take advantage of US dollar weakness.
Valutrades.
I'm Brad Alexander, and in this week's Market Blast Technicals, let's take a look at the DAX, Swiss yen, dollar yen, EURCAD, gold, and euro dollar. If you saw yesterday's video, we pointed out that the US dollar strength we saw was just temporary. We still believe that. For example, on euro dollar, Friday's economic news from the US Federal Reserve drove price action into this lower trend line, and we see now that the stochastic oscillator has turned up from oversold. Depending where you like to draw your trend lines, we see a similar situation with gold at $2,000. If you need further confirmation that the bull run on gold is going to continue, you may want to wait for another indicator like MACD to give you a bullish signal. Yesterday as well, we noticed that price action on EURCAD was at this level of support. We have broken that level and price action has formed a symmetrical pennant, and the stochastic oscillator has just turned up from oversold. The Japanese yen is the weakest currency right now for fundamental reasons. How low can it go? Let's take a look at a few charts to see. Dollar yen can move up higher, but watch this near-term level of resistance. We are also aware of US dollar weakness and the potential rising wedge forming. Many pairs like Swiss yen are approaching long-term levels of resistance, so we might want to monitor these. Kiwi yen, on the other hand, might be more interesting for us, as we see an ascending triangle forming at a key level of resistance at around 83.6 yen. Speaking of which, we have the same situation on the weekly chart on the S&P 500, but watch out for the stochastic oscillator, which is very overbought. We haven't looked at the DAX for a while, but it looks like it may be getting back to pre-pandemic levels. However, price action needs to break this key level of resistance, and we need to monitor the formation of this rising wedge, which may be important if Germany goes into recession. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Valutrade Signals, and the link will be in this video's description below. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and register on the Valutrades website to get notifications on new content as it happens. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you next time. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.